Welcome. If you wanna use AdBlock on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, the first thing is just to go to the Google Play Store and download the AdBlock, or just a browser that has built-in AdBlock. So I highly recommend you to go for the Opera Mini. Right now, click on the install. Now we have to just wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see now, it is just installing, and now we can open our Opera Mini, and as you can see, the AdBlock is configuring. I'll click on continue, allow and continue, and right now we can go for the website where we can find the ads to block. So go for our website HardReset.Info. And as you can see, we have blocked the first ads, and when we scroll down through the screen for the website, you cannot find any ads. So this is how it works on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.